Hello guys, welcome back to iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Dhruvin. In this video, I will show you how to fix green screen tint problem on iPhone 13 series after iOS 16.1 update. Apple recently launched the iOS 16.1 for the iPhone and iPad users. Lot of iPhone and iPad users has been reporting to iOS 16.1 update after iPhone 13 series green screen tint problem on iPhone. Now the iPhone 13 series users question is what to do for the fixing this issue. Before the starting this video, please make sure to subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about iPhone and iPad. In this brand new video, I give you some solutions for how to fix iPhone 13 series green screen tint problem on iPhone. So guys, please make sure follow the steps and easy to fix your problems. In this video you can see also iPhone 13 series green screen problem this type. Now the first one most important solution is force restart your iPhone and iPad. If you using iPhone 13 series, now first of all press the volume up button, then press the volume down button and also press the on off button at the same time. When the Apple logo appear on your iPhone screen, then release all the buttons on your iPhone and iPad. This way you can easily fix your problems. Now the second most important solution is also manage your iPhone display settings. Now first of all open the settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down. In display and brightness you can see also brightness slider available. You can easily adjust the brightness, you can easily fix your problems. Now again come back in iPhone settings. After again tap on the accessibility. In accessibility you can see also display and text size. In the display and text size you can see also last option is auto brightness. If the auto brightness is turned off, now please make sure turn on the auto brightness on your iPhone and iPad. This way you can easily green screen tint problem fix on your iPhone 13 series. Now the third one solution is update your iPhone software. So guys, now first of all make sure follow the steps. Now first of all open the strong Wi-Fi to connect your iPhone and iPad. Once the connected is done, now again open the settings app. In settings app go down, tap on the general. In general you can see also second option is software update. If you any latest versions available, now latest versions to update your iPhone and iPad. Now the fourth one solution is most important. The solution is reset all settings on your iPhone. So guys, now iPhone users question is what to do now. First of all open the settings app. In the settings app go down and tap on the general. In general you can see also second last option is transfer and reset iPhone. Now please make sure tap on it. Now again tap on the reset. In reset you can see also first one option is reset all settings. Now enter your correct passcode and now again tap on the reset all settings on your iPhone and iPad. Now the last one solution is wait for the new software update. In iOS 16.1 update after green screen tint problem show on iPhone 13 series. Now wait for the iOS 16.2. This way you can easily fix your problems. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram and also comment on this video comment sections. I will try to fix your problems as soon as. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.